my treasure, welcome back to another unboxing video. And in today's video, we're gonna do more from Hirogaru Sky Precure because we have in our possession the sky tones for Cure Wing and Cure Butterfly. And we are gonna test them out both on the Sky Mirage and also on the Colorful Action mixing palette. And next to that, we are also gonna test out all the additional sky tones I have on, on both devices. So yeah, come join me in this very interesting unboxing. Okay, we have both sky tones in front of us. And let's start with, of course, Cure Wing, because that was, of course, the first other Precure to enter the series. As Cure Wing has already been some time in the series, this sky tone was highly anticipated by yours truly. So, oh my gosh, I am so happy that I finally have this one in my hand, and I really love everything about it. So these are the button combinations, just in case you want to know, to get Cure Wing's transformation on the Sky Mirage. And oh my gosh, I really love also this, right? The details that they even put in the little clicker. Whee! It's gorgeous because each and every of these clickers is different. So when you, for example, look at the one for Cure Sky, you see a little sun in there. And when you check it out for Cure Prism, you see a little prism in there, a diamond shape. And same as with, let's also grab her, Cure Butterfly, also her clicker is in the shape of a butterfly. And remember these things, because in the W stones, this silhouette and this silhouette are combined. Same as, of course, with Cure Sky and Cure Prism. But oh my goodness, also Cure Butterfly. I really love the butterfly in the center. I do think, you know, like, even though this is a wing, it took me a while to recognize that, you know, like it represented a wing. But of course, with this one, you can clearly see it's a butterfly. And of course, they have their representative gemstones in there. And oh my gosh, even the top part, look at them. They are different from each other. So this is more of a like heart shaped, and this is more oval shaped. But all in all, I love these sky tones. So let's go check them out under the Sky Mirage. Okay, so we're gonna start with Cure Wing. There we go. Okay, next up is Cure Butterfly. There we go. Let's go for the W. And now let's go for the special edition. Let's go for Cure Wing. And now let's do Cure Butterfly. Now let's do Cure Sky. Let's do Cure Prism. And that is it for all the new sky tones and testing them out on the Hirogaru Sky toys, the Sky Mirage, and the mixing palette. Which one was your favorite? Let me know on Twitter or in the comments. I think my favorite has to be the Cure Butterfly one. But yeah, maybe you have a different one. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, they say, miss you, love you, bye-bye.